you ways by which you will be able to go ahead and does your college have a network? Yes or no?
Yes.
Guys, okay, I need some replies. Okay, I'll share the sad news with all of you sitting out here. The sad news is, I am physically handicapped. What do I mean by that? I am deaf. Okay? So when I ask you a question, you really need to answer. Why do you need to answer? All my seminars, all my workshops go by a very simple principle. The principle is, if you make me happy, I'll make you happy. How can you make me happy? When I ask you a question, I need the answer. That's all that is required to make me happy. If I'm happy, how can I make you happy? Trust me, there are a lot of things, thanks to our research team, that I know that you don't even know exist. But if you would know it exists, you would love to know about all of that. So I can show you and I can tell you a lot of those things, but only if I'm happy. So the point is that you need to make me happy. How can you make me happy? Simply by answering when I ask you a question. Have I made myself clear on that? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, I'll tell you again, I'm deaf. So I'll ask you again last time. If you don't shout this time, I'll be sad. If I'm sad, I'll make sure that everybody sitting here becomes sad. Okay, I'll ask you again. Have I made myself clear on that? Yes or no? Yes. So that's a relatively better reply which I got. So anyways, let's move on to the next topic, which we will show you in depth in our workshop, and that is system hacking. Does your college have a computer network on which all the computers are connected? Yes or no? No? Let me try. We are in a medieval age college which doesn't have a network. I'm sure your college has a network, right? Will it be of interest to you if I show you ways by which, in a network, every single computer which is connected, you can actually include into any computer and you can get complete access of the computer. That means you can monitor the keystrokes, you can see every file, you can go ahead and take screenshots, you can literally go ahead and listen to the microphone, and not just that, you can view the web camera of the computer irrespective of the operating system, irrespective of which antivirus, which firewall or which anti-malware that the system is using. Does this sound interesting? And would you like to know any such technique which is available? Yes or no? Yes! That's a little better yes. So I'm sure listening to that makes you a little happy and a little more excited about the stuff which is coming your way, right? Is that all I know and is that all I can show you? Absolutely not. There are some way more cooler things which I can show you, which can be there on your, which can be installed on your brain.exe. What all can be more cooler than what I just told you? I told you intruding and reviewing the security of the most secure web systems. I told you about intruding into and securing the systems irrespective of firewall and antiviruses. What can be more interesting to hack? Can somebody tell me? Mail accounts? Facebook. See, what happens is, if somebody says mail account in Facebook, when I say hacking into a system, you are monitoring the keystrokes. So somebody always goes ahead and writes his password, right? So you can always see that, number one. Number two, you can even directly hack Facebook using the web application attacks which I will talk about. Because what is Facebook? It is a web application. Huh? So we have already talked about that. But something way more cooler to hack, which all of you would love to see how the hacking works.
Cell phone.
Absolutely, sir. Would you be interested to see a way by which I will show this to you live right now? How many of you guys are carrying a smartphone with you? Can I see hands? Oh, almost everybody. Lovely. Will it make sense to you if I told you that I can show you some absolutely non-commercial secret application which we have developed line by line. That if you give me your mobile phone for 20 seconds in my hand, there's a lot of things which can happen on the phone. 20 seconds back. Does that sound more interesting to you? And does that sound like something which you would? I'm sure all of you would be interested to see that, right? So this was all the good news, but there's some bad news also which comes along with this. The bad news is, guys, this seminar is cursed. Now, firstly, can somebody tell me what is the meaning of cursed and what is the meaning of cursed? I'm sure you've seen enough number of Harry Potter movies and those white powder movies. What are those powder movies called? Twilight. Yeah. So I'm sure you've seen enough number of those movies to go ahead and understand what is the meaning of cursed. So guys, I'm very sorry to tell you, but now that you're sitting in this seminar, you've fallen in the legacy of people who are cursed. But there's the good news. It's only cursed for stupid people. How many of you guys sitting there are stupid? Can I see hands? Can I see hands? Not even a single person is stupid? I don't believe that. Anyways, I'll tell you why I know this thing. Guys, on a very serious note, whatever I talk to you about, remember, the goal was never to make you a hacker. Or whatever I show you, please, firstly, do not try to do that when you go back home. I have personally trained around 10,000 students across the country. And there have been 4 very bright students of mine who have actually gone ahead and at the end of the session done something which was very bad, and they ended up going to the police station inside the jail because of what they learned in the workshop, and they went back and did something bad about it. The goal is, what I'm trying to tell you is, please do not, okay, sure. The goal is that please don't go back and do something bad with that. And out of those 4 people who went to the jail, there was one brightest of the lot who is right now in the jail, and he's serving lifetime imprisonment, all thanks to me. What I'm trying to tell you is that remember, I do not encourage the misuse of the stuff that I will be teaching you. My goal is to make you smarter and not to help you get into trouble, right? So that's all that I wanted to take in the seminar. Now you tell me, are you interested to see some demonstration right now? Okay, so please pick up your hand and tell me what demonstration you would like to see. I will only show you 2 demonstrations. Whatever you would like to see, I would like to show that to you live. And of course, the rest of it, we will do it in the workshop. Okay? So please pick up your hand and tell me what you would like to see. Lovely. Okay, so.
Cell phone.
Okay, he's saying some web application attacks is what he would like to see. Would it be of interest to you if I show you some very interesting files of web applications of your own college? Okay, that's one demonstration that I promise I'll show you right now. I'll show that right now, okay? How many of you guys are from Jadavpur University? Can I see hands? Oh, almost all. So I'm sure it will be a very interesting demonstration for all of you. Number 2, second demonstration. Anybody would like to see anything else? Smartphone. Sir, what would you like to see? Wi-Fi is a longer one. We'll do that in the workshop. But any smaller demonstration?